I started with a raw data and transformed it into this bike sales dashboard to understand what drives customer purchase in this organization. After cleaning the After I finished cleaning and preparing the dataset, I moved into analyzing this, and here are some of the insight I found. I found out that starting from with income, customers who purchase bikes generally have a high average income capacity compared to those with low income capacity. This shows that income plays a major role in purchasing decision. And looking at the gender also here, male customers who purchase have slightly income than the females, and this suggests that the male customers may be a higher spending segment in these data sets. Looking at the gender, male customers who purchase have higher income than the female, and this suggests that these male customers may be a higher spending segment in these data sets. Let's move to the age bracket. You can see that higher, the adult purchasing power is higher compared to youth and adult and the elders. That young or adult customers are more likely to buy bikes, possibly for health and also for lifestyle reason and for sports. When it comes to income by region, we can see that North America stood out significantly as a top performing region, generating high income compared to Europe and Pacific. This shows that there's a strong market in this axis. At the home ownership, we can see that larger percentage of buyers are home owners. It also shows that people who own home are likely to purchase bike. I can filter to see different interactive to see how this dashboard is doing. If I want to see in Europe how married people are buying, you can see that yes, married people purchased more, and also in Europe you can see that homeowners also purchased more. And down to if I go to the occupations in Europe, you can see that the clerics are 91% higher when it comes they buy a lot of bikes, and also the male also skyrocketed but slightly different from female, and adults are still the ones buying it in Europe. So overall, this analysis shows that income, region, age, home ownership play an important role in customer behavior. And from a business perspective, this means that company can focus more on high income earners, as you can see from the dashboard, and target strong regions like North American and create tailored marketing strategy for adult customers and homemakers or homeowners. This is the analysis from this dashboard. Drop your likes and comments and your feedback from here, and we follow the comments as I continue in my journey in this data analysis. Thank you and have a good day.